Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my little boy Spock. Say hello, Spock. He's a bit camera shy. Do you not want to give the camera any attention? No? You want to get down? I think he wants to get down, everyone, so. Spock, say bye to everyone. Right, he's out of here. Right, give me a kiss, big little. We'll save the kisses for there. Right, welcome back to my channel, guys. Right, I've got a lot to talk about. I'll keep it as brief as possible. This video is about a roof repair. I put something out similar to this not so long back, but I thought I'd just break down the price. I think it's really important in this industry to explain pricing structures. It'll make customers feel a lot more involved and knowing what's going on. So I think it's really important when you do a job that it's really clear what exactly they're paying for. There's some jobs that you just can't escape the cost. You'll see what things cost on this specific job, but there were 2 chimneys we had to deal with. So at the end of this video, I've put together a price list of what things cost. Yes, we are based in Yorkshire. Remember that there is a difference in what you're paying for up in the north compared to what you'll be paying down south. Take that into account when you're seeing these costs pop up on the screen, thinking, I don't know how you were able to do it for that when it's going to cost X amount down here. So guys, enjoy this video. I'll sign out at the end of it. I'll let it roll. I'll see you on the other side. The chimney was shared with next door, and that's why there was been a bit of a delay on this one, because we did write to the landlord next door. Unfortunately, we do get some cases where the neighbours just don't want to know. And the chimney was here, okay? So where these 2 vents have been put in, 1, 2, the chimney was just here. So they've taken out the chimney now, being able to reuse some of the tiles and get some reclaimed tiles. So that's it, job done here. Now we're going to move this scaffolding that's currently here and move it over there, because that was the second job on this building that we needed to sort out. We needed to sort out the gable end, because those pots on top of the chimney, they're letting in water. When it's raining, they're letting in a lot of water. It's not a functional fireplace anymore, but it's still open up there. So it's not drying out ever. So when it rains very heavily, water is going down through those chimney pots. So they need to be capped off. We're going to leave the chimney, because it's a huge chimney that. So we're going to leave that chimney as it is. Just cap it off, put some cowls over the top of the pots, and yeah, and leave it as that.
The water's come through now, and it has got really bad over the last few months since we were last in here. So the work that we've done outside with the repointing, and we'll go back outside and just take a look at the wall. So with all this repointing that was done out here, the hopper, that's this thing here, that hopper was unblocked, and that needs regular maintenance, that hopper, because there's a lot of pipes going into that, probably more than there should be. But with all these houses being converted into student properties now, a lot of them are overloaded, so that just needs regular maintenance, regular checking every year to make sure that there's no blockages. But yeah, this point is done. This wall's bone dry now, where it was growing the Amazon jungle on there 6 months ago. So now that's done, and now the chimney upstairs has been removed. Get this treated, get it all scraped off, and get it painted. Job will be done, and then we'll move on to the next one.
So these are all the bricks we've taken down from the chimney, and this is what we repaired as well, and it's held up quite well. But all around here, and it's nice and dry as well now. Hopefully, now that chimney's been taken down, and now all that pointing's been done, we can close off that side of the job. Now we've just got to deal with the gable end. Actually, I'm walking away, but we've still got this gable end to do. And when it's raining really heavily, water will be just getting in there. I very much doubt it's the gutter. We did check the gutter, and it didn't with the drone, and it did seem empty. So I honestly don't think it's the gutter at all. I think it is just getting through the chimney when it rains really heavily.
So we're back here at the property where we had the issue with the chimney, and the guys are now, you can see it from the sunroof, they're up there now, just removing the pots because they were really wide open. Right, let's go and take a look at these guys, see what they're getting up to. small but big job, and there's a massive cost in scaffolding. That's a massive chunk of the cost of this job, and people don't take that into account. They just think, you know, the price is just for the labour and doing the actual job, but then you've got the scaffolding as well, which depending on what region you're living in, down south it's going to be a lot more. Where I am in Yorkshire, you're looking at anything from £600 to £1,000, anywhere between there would be okay, depending on how often you use the scaffolding firm. Obviously you get reduced rates if you're using them a lot, but if it's a one-off job and you're the one customer, then you're probably likely going to be paying the top end for the scaffold. So that's not a shadow there, that's sun shining. Let me see, try it from a different angle. But there's a hole there. So we'll get that filled. So that's been filled in now, and top's been finished. The guys have done labour and material and stuff like the scaffolding soon wraps up. Right, let's get down. That's it, it's done now. Vents are in. Gonna crack on with the next job, but I hope you guys have learned something from this one. The pricing up of a job isn't cheap, depending on what the job is, that is, but this job has come to about £4,000, £4,500. You've got scaffolding here, that's £1,100. The reason why it's so much is because we had to pay for a public highways licence, because the scaffolding is sitting on the public highway. So that was an extra £200. So we've got that, we had that to pay. We've also got to do the gable end, which we've not done yet. So the scaffolding will have to get switched around to the gable end. Then we've got we've got to repaint it inside because of all the flaking that was happening inside. So we've got that to do as well. This chimney removal was in the region of £600 to £800 for its removal. And then we've got the materials as well, the wastage, all the bricks that we've got to take away. So you add all these numbers up and you're looking at around £4,000 to £5,000 just for this job. If you're thinking of getting into the buy-to-let market, it's not as easy as you may think. It's not as profitable as you may think. But yeah, right guys, on to the next job. Let's keep on moving.
So what do you think, guys? You know, it does have its complexities removing chimneys, and you do need to make sure you get skilled guys doing the job. But as you can see, it's not cheap. The best thing to do is to hand it over to someone who knows what they're doing, pay them for it, and then you've got the security of knowing that they're going to do a good job. And ask them to take photographs of it. You know, you climb up that ladder yourself and get on the scaffold, if you're not scared of heights, that is, and take a few photographs. They're not one to take photos, but it's really good to be able to see how it's been put together. It gives you as a customer peace of mind then. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'm going to put more videos out like this with prices of jobs that we've done. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscription button in the description box below, and also click on to track my renovation. I'll put the link, like I said, in the description box below for track my renovation. Take a look at that. In the next week or so, I will be putting out tutorials for that, so you can just see how it works. Guys, thanks for watching this video. You all stay safe. Have a Merry Christmas, because that's in a week's time, and take care. Bye bye.